In the manufacturing industry, making the client understand the machine is crucial. At times, the sales representative finds it highly tough to describe the machine they are trying to pitch to the clients. With AR machine visualization, they can make their clients envision what they want to convey. Let's have a quick overview of OneXR. This AR machine visualization enables the sales representative to bring the digital twin of the machinery that explains the functions and key components through engaging simulations and 3D animations. The client gets a detailed understanding of the unique features and the USP by viewing the machine in an X-ray view. This helps the clients understand and evaluate products against competitors in a better way, which in turn helps them make quicker decisions. OneXR empowers your sales representatives for successful product demonstrations, which helps them reduce the sales cycle. OneXR, transforming businesses with extended reality.